Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Larry. If you're new to the channel, it is starting to feel like fall out there, and Thanksgiving's in the air. And I don't know, I love this time of year. A lot of the other places I've been around in Arizona don't have leaves on the ground because it's mostly like pines and stuff out here. But it just feels so cool with the leaves falling, and I don't know, it just kind of reminds me back home when I grew up in the Midwest in Missouri. Got to fold in the cheese.
Oh, next step is to fold in the cheese.
What does that mean? What does fold in the cheese mean?
He folds it in.
I understand that, but how do you fold it? Do you fold it in half like a piece of paper and drop it in the pot, or what do you do?
David, I cannot show you everything.
Okay, well, can you show me one thing?
So Brian and I were sitting out there around the campfire, just hanging out, roasting some marshmallows, and ended up getting pretty late. Well, okay, I take that back. Not really late. It's only like 8:30, but it feels so late. I'm just like, I don't know if I'm just not 100% right now. Like if I'm getting sick, I don't want to admit that I'm getting sick. I don't think I'm getting sick. But I don't know. I had bigger plans for dinner, and then I just wasn't feeling like cooking tonight. And then I don't know. I think I'm just gonna go to bed early, try to get some rest, and then see what tomorrow might bring. I think it's supposed to be pretty nice out tomorrow, so I'm looking forward to that. I slept great last night. Feel a lot better today.
Come on, Meadow, let's go this way. Yeah. All right, Dave, we're back.
All right.
Come on, Hoodie.
I'm so glad I feel better today. I never get sick. I do. I mean, I do get sick, but it seems like if I can catch it ahead of time, like if I could just feel that I'm not feeling good, and then just eat a good meal and drink a lot of water and get a lot of rest, and usually I can get over it pretty quick. But it just seems like this time of year, with the weather changing, I don't know. It seems like I always get sick at least once. So Marty is actually going to get fixed. He's actually getting neutered, and then he's also getting a couple teeth removed because a couple baby teeth stayed in his upper canines, and his adult canines have now grown in right next to him. So while he's out for the other surgery, then they're going to take those out. So he's going to be hurting for a little while. But yeah, I guess if you guys want to send any prayers to him in the comments or something, I mean, for the most part, things should go good, but you just never know when dogs get put under, the anesthesia or whatever. You just don't know. It just got me thinking, because this morning I was filling out the paperwork, and there's just so much to sign and waive, so the vet doesn't take responsibility if something would happen to your dog. And there's just so much that can happen when they go under, and it's just scary. So even though it's a pretty standard surgery, still gonna worry about him. I'm hoping that he's gonna be all right. But he's been enjoying staying here and hanging out with Meadow, which is Brian's dog. And they're just like best friends. They love hanging out with each other. Let's see what Marty's got. Marty, you're not supposed to chew through that, bud. What do you got? Oh, a bone. Uh-oh. Oh, you don't want Mason to have it. Okay. That's his bone, bud. You can't take it. He found it. Says, no, you're taking me with you.
I'll be right back. Okay. I'm going around. He's not gonna like this.
So I ended up volunteering to dog sit so Brian could go take a break and take his e-bike down the road for a little bit. So she's gotta learn. She never gets away from him. So I'm gonna try to teach her that it's okay, and he'll be coming back soon. Good boy, huh? Good boy. He'll be back. It's okay.